Welcome. Today, I'll show you exactly how to allow people to find and add you on Discord using your phone number. This is the latest method, fully updated, and it only takes a minute to set up. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your phone. Once you are in, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and tap it. That's where all your personal settings are located. Next, scroll down a little and tap on Settings. This is where you can customize everything about your account, from notifications to privacy features. But for this tutorial, we'll focus on one important section. Inside Settings, find and tap on Content and Social. This is where Discord manages discovery options, basically how people can find and connect with you. Once you open it, scroll down until you see the section labeled Discovery. Under Discovery, there's an option called Phone. This is the key step. You'll see a toggle switch right next to it. Simply turn that on. What this does is allow other Discord users to find your profile using your phone number as long as they have your digits saved in their contacts. And that's it. With this setting enabled, your friends can discover you more easily without having to search for your username or remember your full Discord tag. It's a convenient way to stay connected, especially if you use Discord for gaming, group chats, or community projects. Just remember, you're always in control. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same menu and switch it off anytime you want. It won't affect your friends list or any current conversations. It